In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Windows Media Creation tool to create a bootable Windows 10 USB, so you can then install Windows 10 on another computer. So the first thing you need to do is insert your USB into your computer, and the USB needs to be a minimum size of 8 gig. Once you have plugged in your USB, make sure you don't have any files on the USB, because if you do, they will be removed. Because basically when we create the Windows 10 bootable USB, it will completely format your USB drive. So make sure you have taken everything you need off your USB, because you will lose it. You now need to click on the link that's in the description below, and you will then end up on a page that looks like this. We now need to click on Download Tool now, and you then need to run the Media Creation tool. We now need to click on Create Installation Media for the USB flash drive, so we can use it for another PC, or you can use it for your own PC. We then need to press Next, and you can now either choose the recommended options for this computer. So if I was going to install Windows 10 on this computer, then I'd keep this option selected. But if you're going to be using the USB to install Windows 10 on another computer, then deselect this option and then choose what version of Windows 10 you want to put onto the USB, so you can choose both or 32-bit, and then you can select the language. I'm going to go ahead and keep Use Recommended Options selected and then press Next. You now need to select USB flash drive, and then we need to press Next again, and you now need to select your USB drive. And like I said before, make sure you have backed up all your files that are on the USB, because like it says here, they will be deleted. We can now go ahead and press Next. As you can see, it's now downloading Windows 10 to the USB, and once this is finished, we will have a bootable Windows 10 USB. And there we go, your Windows 10 bootable USB has now been created. All you need to do is press Finish. So I hope this tutorial has helped you out and you enjoyed it. If it did, click the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.